Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to perform an inverted row. So stick around. The inverted row is an awesome exercise for your back where you're going to use your whole body weight to perform the movement. This exercise is best performed using a Smith machine, a barbell and a squat rack, a TRX, or rings. As a beginner, I would prefer that somebody start with a Smith machine so that way that bar is locked into place and it's not going to roll around and slide on you. Starting with the setup, you want your body to be in a straight line hanging beneath a barbell. Straight legs is going to be harder than bent knees, and when the barbell is lower, that's going to be more difficult than when the barbell is higher. When you're pulling your body straight up at the bar, you should be imagining like that bar is coming to like your mid-chest. We're not trying to pull that bar to your throat. So like I'm showing you right here, you don't want that barbell coming up into your throat because you're really not going to get really great back recruitment when you're doing that movement. Another thing you want to avoid is humping your way up to the bar. You don't want to be swinging your way up and down. The whole point of these movements are to be stimulating and working the muscles in your back. So you should be controlling that movement up and down. Like I said before, pulling yourself to a higher bar or raising the bar is going to make the movement easier. So if you find that you are swinging yourself up to the bar on a regular basis, try raising that bar to a higher level so that way you can control the movement and focus on squeezing and lifting with your back. One thing I like to do to add a little bit more difficulty to this movement is to pull at the bar and then pause at the top. That's going to get a great squeeze out of the back and it's going to make the exercise more difficult. If you want to continue making the exercise more difficult, you can move the barbell lower and then elevate your feet. From there, you can add the pause when your chest is at the barbell, or you can do tempo repetitions where you're slowly lowering yourself towards the floor and then pulling yourself back up. That is the inverted row. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we will talk to you soon. Rapid Fitness!